If you're new on Binance and you have money in your Binance account, then I suggest you watch this video before you do this mistake. If someone sends you money or USDT into your Binance account, or maybe you yourself, you've deposited some money into your Binance account, but you are finding it difficult to withdraw that money, it's because of some one or two reasons, which I'm going to show you in this video. So if you come on my Binance wallet here, one thing that most people have been facing is that when it's time for you to withdraw your money, you don't know where your money is hidden. So here, if you come on the Binance app, over here, they are telling me that I have $13. And if you want to withdraw your money too, your money must be in the funding wallet. So I'll come to wallet. So I'll go to funding wallet to see, because if you come to the overview here, they'll tell you that you have $13. But if you come to the funding wallet, you see that they are telling me that I have only $6.68. So which means I can withdraw this money, even though I have like $13. So right now, what do we do? One thing to do is to look for where this money is hidden. Sometimes if you are new on the platform, you will not know the time that you've transferred these monies to several wallets. Sometimes if you go and tap on, for instance, N, if you tap on Binance N, for instance, and you subscribe to auto investment, automatically, anytime your money is in the spot wallet, Binance will automatically take your money from the spot wallet and invest it, and they'll never bring it back. It will just be in the spot wallet unless you go there to convert it. So this video is just to help you to see where this money is hidden and how you can actually withdraw it. So let's come first to the overview. It's saying $13. Then I'll come to my spot wallet. Spot wallet, I've noticed that I still don't have anything there. So let me go to my funding wallet. The funding wallet, I have $6 there. Okay, so I have to keep searching for it to see where these monies are hidden. So I'll go to N. N2, I have $0. I don't have anything. So let me tap on margin and see. So the margin wallet too, I have 0. Then let me tap on features wallet. So I remember that in the features wallet, when I did some small trade, I have forgotten to withdraw the rest, which is this $6. So meaning that now I have to convert this, move this $6 from the features wallet to the funding wallet so that it will add to the other $6 that is there, so that I can easily, withdraw it. So that's one thing you must know. You have to go and look for where the money is hidden in the wallet. So first thing, tap on wallet. Then you go to the various wallets to see where the money is hidden. Now that I've seen that the money is in the features wallet, I'll have to transfer this money from the features wallet to my funding wallet. So I'll just come here and tap on transfer. So if I tap on transfer, you can see they say from spot wallet to M features wallet. But I'll change it, because I want to change it from features wallet to funding wallet. So I'll come here and do swap. Then I'll come and tap on this arrow and select funding. That means I want the money to go into my funding wallet so that I can withdraw it. So amount, I want to withdraw everything. So I'll tap on transfer. So now the money has gone to the funding wallet. So now if I go to my funding wallet, I will now have the full $13 in the funding wallet. So now if I go back to the features wallet, you see that the features wallet will be 0, meaning the money moved to join the one in the funding wallet. So guys, that's it. So in the funding wallet now, I can go ahead and place my withdrawal. So let me go back here and tap on P2P. So now I can tap on P2P and now tap on sell. So if I tap on sell now, I can select whoever I want to sell to. So let me go around and see who I can sell this to. So who can I sell this to? So I can sell to this guy right here. I did more videos about how you can sell your cryptocurrencies and get physical cash. So you can check those videos out or I'll leave the playlist of the Binance tutorials that I've made so far in the comment section below. So make sure you check it out. So I'll just come here and tap on sell. Then I'll go here and tap on full amount. So I'm going to withdraw a total of 157. So 157, then I'll put in my payment method. Then I'll just go ahead and tap on sell. So within some few time, the money will be sent into my MoMo wallet. Then I'll just confirm that I've received it. So guys, basically that's how you can easily withdraw your money from Binance in case you are finding it difficult, you don't know where the money is hidden and all that. Thanks for watching this video. I believe it has been helpful. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe so that more people can get access to this video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video.